Hey fellow off-roaders, need parts for your DIY project and want to make sure it all works? There's a reason why the big YouTubers like Andrew White, Ronnie Dahl, Salty Davenport, Harry from Fire to Fork and many more come to Perth Pro. Because they get it both. They get to choose from an extensive range of auto-electric parts and also get expert advice on their builds. Here at Perth Pro, you get to choose from the best parts and you can ask our experienced team all the tough questions. We are passionate about helping you build a solid electrical setup that is uniquely tailored to you. So if you want to make sure your next camping trip is worry-free, knowing that the system you build won't let you down, come by and see us at our new location in Bayswater.
Here at Perth Pro, we'll get you ready to drive anywhere. By the way, we can also fit those parts for you.